Hey everyone, my name is Christian, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. I welcome you with open arms. And today I just wanted to talk about a quick little filter that I picked up that is extremely affordable and that blew my mind in terms of what this filter can do. And that's the Starburst filter. And yeah, there's 3 of them. It comes with a 4, 6, and 8 for less than 20 bucks. So that's not what a deal is on some film gear. I don't know what is. And they're durable, so. Alright, so this is pretty much a frame from the clip that I just played. And if we blow it up right here, we could see this streak coming in, and it's actually from the sun, which is right above the frame on the upper left hand corner. This right here is the 4 burst, and it's giving it in diagonal range, I guess you could call that. It's giving 1 here, 1 off to the side over there, but we can't see it. It's a little bit more over there, and 2 on top. It's just sneaking in the frame as he's dancing, which I think totally fits the vibe. And as you can tell, even like in the middle of the streak, it's giving this like rainbow effect. We got like a green tint, yellow tint, orange tint, and like almost like a pink tint at the bottom. So like I said, I really like the way this came out, and for less than 20 bucks, you cannot beat that. Alright, so this is pretty much a side-by-side comparison between the 6 and the 4 burst. I personally think the 8's a little too much, so I just keep it with these 2. And yeah, this is pretty much so you can see how more or less it looks when you're shooting in direct light like the sun. I think it looks pretty cool. Anyways, a little bit of backstory on this. So a couple days ago, I had an artist reach out to me, and we were discussing pretty much the look and the feel of a music video that she wanted to create. So she was relaying to me how she wanted to create this like creamy, soft vibe. And right at the top of my head, I thought of 2 filters. I thought of the Black Pearl Mist, and I thought of a Starburst filter. A Starburst filter is pretty much when direct light hits the lens, it's gonna give it like a flare look. And this particular one that I picked up not only came with a 4 burst, it came with a 6 burst and an 8 burst. So that was pretty neat. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop the link below in the description below if you want to pick one up. I definitely recommend to have this in your kit. Less than 20 bucks. You never know when you're gonna need it. Very creative for music videos or anything you're trying to shoot. So with that being said, peace out.